Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Anker PowerCore 5000 portable charger, and we'll start by having a look at the box. This is the front side. You can see it has a transparent plastic casing and you can see the power bank inside. I can even press the power button and the one LED light comes up. You can see also the charging cable next to it. On the sides of the box we have some other information such as the capacity, which is from the product name 5000 milliamp hour or 18.5 watt hour, and the output charge, which is 5 volts 2 amps. So more not really relevant info around here. And on the back side we have some other information that we might want to look at, and if we read the English version here we can see that this power bank recharges most phone 2 times. Well, I would like to pause here and say that I believe this is a little bit optimistic, because considering that this is a 5000 milliamp hour power bank, which is a listed capacity, it means that you could expect to have a usable capacity of around 3500 milliamp hour, which is nowadays the battery of modern smartphone. So from my guess, if I were to guess, I'd say that you could use this power bank to charge a regular smartphone about 1 time instead of 2 times. So I think Anker is being a little bit optimistic here, unless they're using smartphones with quite small batteries. They say here it has advanced charging technology, patented power IQ and voltage boost. So these are charging technologies developed by Anker. It's ultra compact. Well, it is small capacity power bank, so it should be quite compact. And here they offer charging instructions, so you can either charge it from a socket or from a laptop. And it also has the power LED lights, which you can use to see how much charge the power bank has. And that's about it from the box. That's the most information we can gather from the box. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so first off we have this carrying pouch. It's very useful if you want to carry your power bank around without scratching it. It's also branded here as an Anker logo. You can close it down if you want. It's quite useful if you want to prevent any scratches appearing on your power bank. So here we have the charging cable, which is an USB and a micro USB cable, and I'd like to say it's rather long for a power bank. Usually power banks come with quite short charging cables, and this is above average length, I would say, for a charging cable. So here's the power bank. As you can see, this has a cylindrical design with 3 main elements on its front, which are the LED lights, the power button and the Anker logo. Now I would like to specify that usually power banks come with 4 different LED lights instead of 3, and each of those 4 signify a 25% charge of the power bank. Now I believe that Anker did this in order to save some costs and have 3 LEDs instead of 4, and each of them now signifies 33% of charge. This means that you have a little bit less accuracy when trying to decide how much charge the power bank has, but the lights should do their job anyway. So if I were to press the power button, you'd see that only the first light shows up, and this means that this power bank has less than 33% of its capacity currently charged. And if we were to look at the top side of the device, we would see the 2 different ports the device comes with. One is the USB Type A port, and it's the one that you will use to charge your devices. And the other one is the micro USB type port, which you will use to charge the power bank itself. It's also worth mentioning that the micro USB ports are on their way out, and nowadays most of the latest power bank models come with USB Type C ports. But you know, micro USB ports still are working and they do their job, but it's worth considering that if you're getting a new power bank, maybe you would get one with USB Type C input port instead of a micro USB type port. And the other end of the power bank has some information about this model, including the capacity and input and output values. So There you go, this is the Anker PowerCore 5000. I would say this is an entry-level power bank, let's say. It's a compact power bank, pretty easy to carry around. However, the disadvantage is that it has a pretty small capacity, so you wouldn't expect to charge your more than 1.5 times at most, let's say. So thank you very much for tuning in today, and see you next time. Bye bye.